everyone, my name is Missy. I'm with the UC Master Gardener program. We're here at UC Davis at the Good Life Gardens so that we can talk about some of the exciting things that are happening in fall gardens around California. So most of us are still enjoying great harvests from eggplant, peppers, and tomatoes. But the days are starting to get cooler, so it's time to tell the plant to put its energy and resources into developing fruits like this, instead of less mature flowers and fruits. A great way to tell the plant to transfer its energy is to come through and actually pinch off flowers, very immature fruits, and even new growth. That tells the plant to harvest all of its energy into the development of fruits like this so that you can harvest them later. So most of this bed has already been cleared out. There are a couple more plants left. They're still producing, we're still harvesting from them, but eventually this whole bed will be turned over. We'll be looking to plant great cool season vegetables, fast growing, fast maturing radishes and lettuces for salads. We'll be looking at cauliflowers and broccolis and kales for winter harvest. And then of course you can't forget your onions, shallots, garlic for harvest. Here in front of a pomegranate tree that's almost ready for harvest. Pomegranates are amazing edible plants that have beautiful landscape features as well. These can be integrated into the design in your landscape, so it's both aesthetic and edible. When you're harvesting from a pomegranate, you want to make sure that you're using pruning shears so that you're not tearing or ripping at the woody plant. This avoids any damage to the plant, which again is an aesthetic feature in your landscape. I hope you found these tips helpful. The UC Master Gardener volunteers are always here to help. You can find us online at mg.ucanr.edu. You can also reach out to your local UC Cooperative Extension office to find out about events, hotline, and gardening support that they have available with the local UC Master Gardener program. Thanks so much.